Look, can you find the taco seasoning?
What?
Whoa.
What?
Hold up. Okay.
We're trying to cook and I don't know how to do it.
Put olive oil in the ground beef.
Yes.
It already produces enough grease, so you don't have to do that. Mom told me that about bacon.
Pour it out. Pour the rest out.
Why did I like
No,
that?
you gotta put the taco seasoning in the beef.
What's the taco seasoning?
Oh my.
Wash it off and pick it up.
Ew!
No.
Dude, they don't cook it
It's
anyway.
exactly.
It's mostly raw anyway. Whoa, not too much.
Come on, turn the water off.
Yes, I'm listening.
Furman, you crazy.
Okay, it's gonna be brown. Leave you alone. Letty, where's the
Y'all
taco?
turn it up.
Yeah.
I didn't know. I thought it
It's
was
already on
thick.
that. Brooklyn just don't. Oh,
She jacked it up.
Oh,
she jacked it up.
I don't know. I don't know why we let her touch the beef.
Shoot, I
I know that's like the main thing.
Since you know everything, where's the taco seasoning in? Since you know everything.
It's in here.
Not you, him.
Oh,
is it
you're
good?
talking to me.
Yeah.
It comes with it, right?
I have no
No,
idea
I
what
think
kind
mom
of
has some in the thing. I don't think it comes with it. I think we have some in the thing.
Mommy, there's no more taco seasoning.
Yes, there is. Look around the kitchen.
I did.
There's probably not. It's probably all gone.
There's taco seasoning. I just saw it.
You so special. You so special.
That's chili.
Bro,
It's that
your chicken's smooth.
It's that salt.